Hawaii? Huh?
Very nice place. And the people is gentlemen. And it's okay. and it's okay for our tour.
How about Hanoi? How about Hanoi?
Hanoi, it's also nice place.
Hanoi or Hue? Hue.
Oh, this one is Hawaii is good.
So Hue over Hanoi?
Yeah.
Hanoi over Hawaii.
It's over in Hanoi, the Hawaii.
Oh yeah,
Sa
sa
Kalibangon
Kalibangon.
is always everything. Everything is under repair.
Maddie! On the way to Hanoi. Ay, Hue.
Bye.
Ay,
Hawaii.
Dadang. Bye, Hue!
Therefore in Hawaii. It's a nice place.
Favorite ni Max yung ganito, ay. Spotlight.
Oh my gosh! Ay! Gabriel! Oh my gosh!
Parang sumakay tayo ng aeroplano.
Kaya nga.
Bibingitin na nga ako eh. Oh.
Ano po masasabi niyo today?
Hey,
Boss Rolly,
it's
on the way to
very
Danang.
nice place. So high. So high.
So hi.
The road.
Yeah. What can you say, bro?
Bro, this is a flower.
This is not heaven, Mom. Not even close to heaven.
Hello, what can you say so far with your Danang experience?
What?
What can you say so far? Lahat din nakapagkita ka kasi.
It's nice. It's okay.
Okay?
Very nice. Very nice place and very nice the building and road is organized.
Okay. Where are we? Okay? How was it, Gab? Na? Nice one! Good job. Banana boat. Masarap banana boat. Ano masasabi niyo na nakalakad kayo sa Vietnam, Danang, sa Front Beach?
Very nice.
Iba naman, no? Iba naman.
Exciting.
Exciting.
Yeah.
And aside from that,
Many people stand here to watch the wave or parasailing.
parasailing.
Yeah.
Only one. Ah, oh, ah. What can you say, boss?
Very nice. Very, very nice.
Biggest fan. May five natin. Oh, diba? Oink. Ang ganda naman.
At wala rin. Pero ate swimming pool.
Ano masasabi mo, Lo? Ano masasabi mo?
For me, good job. Enjoy my...
Ay, yeah. Gusto mo daw yun? Wala yung coconut.
Walang gatas. What do they call this?
Video. And at last I feel alive.
Bukas na magpapito. Akala ko pagod na tayo sa boat-boat eh. Tapos sa paggabi, alam mo yung pagod ka na.
10th day breakfast.
10:40.
Hello. Cute naman. Kitty number 2. Anger. Ah, di kayo gigising or I'll put lipstick. Matt, come on, wake up. Gabriel. Sige, pwede, wait.
Okay, you Filipino.
Philippine?
Philippine.
Okay, yeah.
Philippine skin is like you.
Okay.
Ah, brown skin.
Yo. Yo. Vietnam.
Oh, yeah.
Chi.
Yeah, itchy.
Vietnam. Chi.
Itchy.
1, 2, 3.
What can you say, Joe? Since this is our last day.
Sad.
Ah! How about you, Joe?
Happy
Why?
because you go home na.